Welcome to this Qur'an Gateway training video. In this video we're going to show you how to use tags, a powerful feature built into the software that lets you organize and work with verses that you want to group together or visit again for whatever reason. So to show you how tags works, if we come up to the My Profile menu and choose My Tags, you'll see I've already created some tags, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create a tag called Mary. And if I click my mouse down here, I can just drag these little cross around like this and just pick the colour I want for that tag. So that's got orange colour, I think. And I'll click the Create Tag button, and we can see Mary has now been created. So how might I use that tag? Well, if I pull up Surah 510, that's a verse where Mary occurs. Let's add the tag Mary to that verse. One way of doing that is just simply to come over here to the verse reference, point at the verse reference and choose the tag option here, and then I can tick Mary and click Apply Changes, and you can see that tag has been applied to the verse there. Now you can also apply tags to more than one verse at a time. Let's do that by searching for some verses where Mary might appear. Let's search for verses where Mary and Jesus appear, and that should pull up a few verses. 17 verses in total, it tells me, and I want to add the tag Mary to all of those. All I have to do is come over here to the Tags button on the menu bar this time and click Tags, and again choose Mary and hit Apply Tag to all these verses, and lo and behold, it's gone through and added Mary to all of those verses. And once I've got some tags like that created, it's really easy to find every verse where that tag appears. One way of doing it is I can just click on one of the tags here. So if I pick the Mary tag on this verse, click on that tag, and there's a little option to find all verses with that tag. So if we click that, I will go ahead and find all those verses which I've tagged with Mary. We can also search for tags from the home page. So up on the search bar here that appears, search box that appears on the Qur'an Gateway home page, I can use the tag command, followed by the name of the tag, in this case tag Mary, and again it's found all 17 verses that I have tagged with the name Mary. And so tags can be very, very useful, and verses can have more than one tag. For example, there's a verse down here, down 546, you can see it's tagged with Mary, but I've also tagged it with the word Torah, because the Torah is mentioned. And by tagging verses in this way, it's a very easy way of grouping verses together so you can access them quickly. And one last thing we can do with tags that's quite helpful, once you've created some tags and applied them to different verses, under the My Profile menu and the Tags option again, if you want to get an overview of how you've been using tags, up at the top of the window here, this little chart icon, I just have to click this, and Qur'an Gateway will show me the number of different verses tagged with each tag. And you can see by far the most I've applied is the word hell. I was obviously quite busy working on that day. And if I want to see any of these tags and what's going on, perhaps I'm particularly interested in the 5 verses I've tagged angels, I just point my mouse at a column on the bar chart and click it, and Qur'an Gateway will draw me right down, and I can find the 5 verses I have tagged with angels. And tags are an incredibly powerful way of organising the Quran and your study of it. Really helpful feature, worth taking the time to dig into and explore how it works. And I hope this video has given you a bit of an overview of just how helpful this particular tool built into Qur'an Gateway can be. We hope you enjoy using it.